Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're going to show you how to increase your blog traffic using free methods with our step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Driving traffic to your blog is essential for success, and you don't always need to spend money to do it. Here are some effective free methods to boost your blog traffic. Optimize for SEO. Use on-page SEO techniques like keyword optimization, meta tags, and proper formatting to improve your search engine rankings. Leverage social media. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your blog. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for popular blogs in your niche. This not only helps you gain exposure, but also drives traffic back to your site. Engage in online communities. Participate in forums, groups, and communities related to your niche. Share your expertise and link back to your blog where relevant. For more detailed steps, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.